In the battle against viral infections, our body's defense mechanisms need all the support they can get. Enter Famciclovir, a potent antiviral medication that holds the key to unlocking your body's ability to fight off these pesky invaders. With its powerful arsenal of properties, Famciclovir is rapidly gaining recognition as an exceptional tool in the fight against viral infections. Derived from the renowned antiviral medication Penciclovir, Famciclovir is highly effective in treating a range of viral infections, including herpes simplex, Varicella-zoster, and even shingles. By inhibiting the replication of the virus within our cells, Famciclovir not only helps alleviate symptoms but also reduces the duration and intensity of viral outbreaks. How Famciclovir works in the body. Famciclovir belongs to a class of medications known as nucleoside analogues. When ingested, it is rapidly converted into its active form, Penciclovir, by enzymes present in the body. Penciclovir then goes to work, selectively inhibiting the replication of the virus by interfering with the viral DNA synthesis process. Unlike many other antiviral medications, Famciclovir has a unique ability to remain active within the body for an extended period. This means that it can continue to suppress viral replication even after it has been metabolized into its active form. This sustained antiviral effect helps to reduce the severity and duration of viral outbreaks, providing much-needed relief for those suffering from recurrent infections. Famciclovir for viral infections, herpes simplex virus, HSV, and Varicella-zoster virus, VZV. One of the most common and well-known viral infections that Famciclovir is used to treat is the herpes simplex virus, HSV. HSV can cause cold sores and genital herpes, both of which can be painful and socially distressing. Famciclovir has been shown to be highly effective in reducing the duration and severity of HSV outbreaks, as well as in preventing the recurrence of these infections. Varicella-zoster virus, VZV, which causes chickenpox and shingles, is another viral infection that Famciclovir can effectively combat. Shingles, in particular, can be a debilitating condition, characterized by a painful rash that can last for weeks or even months. Famciclovir helps to alleviate the pain and discomfort associated with shingles by suppressing viral replication and reducing the duration of the outbreak. Famciclovir for viral infections, Epstein-Barr virus, EBV, and cytomegalovirus, CMV. In addition to HSV and VZV, Famciclovir has also shown promise in treating other viral infections, such as Epstein-Barr virus, EBV, and cytomegalovirus, CMV. EBV is responsible for causing infectious mononucleosis, commonly known as mono, or the kissing disease. Famciclovir can help alleviate the symptoms of mono by reducing viral replication and decreasing the duration of illness. CMV, on the other hand, is a common virus that can cause serious complications in individuals with weakened immune systems, such as those who have undergone organ transplantation. Famciclovir has been found to be effective in preventing CMV infection and reducing the severity of symptoms in these vulnerable populations. Famciclovir dosage and administration. The dosage and administration of Famciclovir may vary depending on the specific viral infection being treated and the individual's medical history. It is important to follow the prescribed dosage and duration of treatment as directed by a healthcare professional. For herpes simplex and Varicella-zoster infections, the typical dosage of Famciclovir is 250 mg 3 times daily for 7 to 10 days. In the case of recurrent outbreaks, a lower maintenance dosage of 250 mg twice daily may be recommended. For the treatment of shingles, a higher dosage of Famciclovir may be prescribed, such as 500 mg 3 times daily for 7 days. It is crucial to start treatment as early as possible to maximize the effectiveness of the medication. Potential side effects and precautions of Famciclovir. As with any medication, Famciclovir may cause certain side effects in some individuals. Common side effects include headache, nausea, diarrhea, and dizziness. These side effects are usually mild and temporary, resolving on their own without the need for medical intervention. In rare cases, more serious side effects may occur, such as allergic reactions, liver problems, or changes in blood cell counts. If any unusual or severe symptoms are experienced while taking Famciclovir, it is crucial to seek immediate medical attention. It is important to note that Famciclovir is not suitable for everyone. Individuals with a history of allergic reactions to Famciclovir or Penciclovir should not take this medication. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult with their healthcare provider before starting Famciclovir treatment. Famciclovir versus other antiviral medications. Famciclovir is just one of several antiviral medications available for the treatment of viral infections. While all these medications share the common goal of suppressing viral replication, they may differ in terms of their specific mechanisms of action, dosing regimens, and potential side effects. Compared to other antiviral medications, Famciclovir offers several advantages. Its extended duration of action means that it can be taken less frequently, improving convenience and adherence to treatment. Famciclovir's effectiveness in preventing recurrent outbreaks also sets it apart from other antiviral medications, providing individuals with long-term management options for chronic viral infections. Famciclovir and its potential as an immune system booster. Beyond its antiviral properties, Famciclovir has shown potential as an immune system booster. Studies have suggested that Famciclovir can enhance the body's immune response to viral infections, helping to reduce the severity and duration of outbreaks. By bolstering the immune system, Famciclovir empowers the body to better fight off viral invaders. This immune-boosting effect of Famciclovir is particularly significant for individuals with weakened immune systems or those at higher risk of developing complications from viral infections. By strengthening the body's natural defense mechanisms, Famciclovir offers a comprehensive approach to managing viral infections, improving overall health and well-being. Famciclovir research and future developments. Ongoing research into Famciclovir continues to uncover new insights into its effectiveness and potential applications. Scientists are exploring the use of Famciclovir in the treatment of other viral infections, such as influenza, respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, and even certain types of cancer caused by viral infections. Furthermore, researchers are investigating ways to optimize Famciclovir's dosing regimens and improve its effectiveness against drug-resistant viral strains. These advancements hold the promise of expanding the therapeutic potential of Famciclovir, offering new hope for individuals battling viral infections. Conclusion: harnessing the power of Famciclovir for optimal health and wellness. In conclusion, Famciclovir is a powerful antiviral medication that holds the key to empowering your body's ability to fight off viral infections. By inhibiting viral replication and reducing the severity and duration of outbreaks, Famciclovir provides much-needed relief for individuals suffering from herpes simplex, Varicella-zoster, and other viral infections. With its unique ability to not only treat but also prevent recurrent episodes of viral infections, Famciclovir offers a long-term management solution for chronic conditions. Its convenience, reliability, and immune-boosting properties make it an exceptional choice for those seeking to regain control over their health and well-being. As research into Famciclovir continues to evolve, its potential applications and effectiveness against other viral infections hold great promise for the future. With Famciclovir by our side, we can unlock the power of our body's natural defense mechanisms, ensuring optimal health and wellness in the ongoing battle against viral invaders. Thanks for watching.